welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a get ready with me, and I feel like I've not done one of these in quite a while, so it'll be quite fun to just kind of get some filming done, have a bit of a chat with you guys, give you a bit of an update of what's been going on, and let's just get on with it. So I'm going to be using my Revolution Pro Featherweight Primer to start off with. I always take forever to film, especially get ready with me. They always take so long. I always end up with like 40 minutes to an hour's worth of footage. So I'm going to do my best today to try speed it up a little bit and actually just get on with it. Here with my Rimmel 001 transparent powder, I'm just putting this all across the rest of my face, just kind of mattify it a little bit more, make it look less oily and shiny. I feel like this makes my makeup last a lot longer as well. So that will do for that. So I'm now going to move on and do my contour. So my favourite contour at the moment I've been enjoying is this stick here, which is PS My Favourite Colour Foundation and Contour Stick in the shade Caramel. and I just apply a small line here just underneath my bun, and the same at the other side. And then I just like to outline my face and kind of little dashes. So I'm not using too much, just do 3 small dots and then 2 small lines down either side of my nose. I'm still experimenting with my contour because I'm not 100% happy with that colour yet. I want kind of like a more darker colour because this is more of an orange, but I do have another dark one which is just too dark. So I'm just trying to like experiment with the 2 different shades and just trying to get it perfect. I'm going to use my blending brush again and just blend my chin out. Just to make my bone and my face shape a little sharper. And the same with my forehead, just to blend that out. Side of my nose. Again with my powder contour because I felt this kind of makes the colour a little bit more realistic and a little bit more natural. So I'm using the top colour here. This is a Revolution palette. It's the Contour and Glow palette, but sadly they don't actually do this anymore and it's my favourite. So I'm now going to go in with this brush here and just kind of wipe away the excess. And I'm going to just blend it out a little bit more and then move on. So I'm now going to wipe away the excess powder from underneath my eyes. So for highlight, I'm going to be using this Sephora Golden Hour and it's absolutely stunning. And then I'm going to be using one of my highlight brushes from Real Techniques. This is brush 200. Just get a small amount of product and then this is honestly one of my favourite highlights ever. A tiny bit on the end of my nose, a little bit on my chin and then my forehead, just to brighten it up a little bit. So I feel like I haven't really done anything with my eyebrows in a while, so I'm just going to touch them up a little bit. Just kind of brush them with this brush. I normally use this for my mascara, but we're going to just make it multifunctional today. So I'm going to use this palette here, which is the Revolution Neutrals Shadow Palette. And I'm just going to use this colour in the top here. I'm just using this thin brush to do it. I don't want to do too much because I don't want them to look too thick, but I'm just going to fill them in a tiny bit. And just give them a little bit more definition and shape. I feel like I haven't done my brows in a while either, so it's just a bit different and I just thought it'd be a bit fun. So I'm using my Morphe palette. This is the 3503 Fierce by Nature, and I'm going to be using the majority of the oranges, browns and the dark ones at the bottom, just to make kind of a smoky effect and a little bit of an orange tinge to it to kind of fit with the Halloween theme. So I'm going to use 4 of my Real Techniques brushes for this, and then I'll also be using my Cut Crease canvas from Revolution. So guys, I've just taken my hair down and then I'm going to use my Quick Fix spray. This is just kind of set my makeup in place and to make sure it's all going to stay there for the rest of the day. This is a new one that I got from Revolution and I do really like this. It actually does smell really nice as well. I'm a big fan of this one. So guys, that is pretty much it for today's video. I hope you've enjoyed this. I've really enjoyed filming it and I'll see you all next time. Do not forget to like, give me a little comment down below and subscribe to my channel if you want more. Thanks guys, bye!